Though rare in the North Atlantic, of all rorquals, the humpback, at 11.5 to 15 metres in length, is the one most likely to enter the shallower waters of the continental shelf. It's more common in the west, spending the summer in Baffin Bay and along the New England coast. In the eastern North Atlantic, it occurs around Iceland, Norway, the British Isles and Ireland. North Atlantic humpbacks winter in the West Indies, with small numbers around the Cape Verde Islands off northwest Africa. The species has a broad, bushy blow which reaches a height of 2.5 to 3 metres, although after a long dive it may be taller and more slender than this. The blow is typically made 4 to 8 times, at intervals of 15 to 30 seconds after a long dive. The dorsal fin is very variable in size and shape, ranging from a small triangular knob to a larger, distinctly sickle-shaped fin, placed nearly 2/3 along the back. The head is much more slender than other rorquals, and the top is flattened and covered by a number of fleshy knobs or tubercles. These extend over the lower jaw, which also has a rounded protuberance near the tip. The ridge along the midline of the top of the head is indistinct, unlike the other rorquals. The flippers are very long, nearly 1/3 the total body length. They're scalloped with knobs or bumps along the leading edge, are white underneath, and sometimes also on the upper surface. Humpbacks often raise a flipper and slap it against the water, or lie on their side or back with one or both flippers in the air. The tail flukes are very broad and distinctly notched, but are commonly scalloped with knobs along the trailing edge, giving an irregular appearance. The undersurface is partially or completely white. Humpbacks are frequently seen breaching right out of the water, particularly in their tropical breeding grounds.